Welcome. Today's meditation is an invitation to pause, to breathe, and to reconnect with your life in a different way. Not as something you need to figure out, but as something you're already living, moment by moment. Get comfortable, either sitting or lying down. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and softly exhale. Again, inhale and release. Great. Let your breath return to a natural rhythm. Bring your attention into your body. Notice where you're supported. Feel the ground beneath you, steady, holding you. Allow your shoulders to relax, your jaws to soften. There's nothing you need to do right now. Just notice your breath, gentle rise and fall. Let yourself arrive right here. Now imagine you're standing at the beginning of a path. It's early morning. There's a soft golden light just starting to rise. You're surrounded by the energy of spring, fresh, alive, full of new beginnings. Feel the earth beneath your feet. It's solid and steady. And all around you, you can sense life waking up. New leaves, soft blossoms, a quiet sense of growth. Take a moment to breathe it in. This feeling of renewal, possibility. And let it out. As you stand there, I want you to offer a gentle thought. Not something to figure out, just something to sit with. What if your purpose isn't something you find, but something you live? Notice what comes up. No need to analyze. Just let that question settle. What if your purpose isn't something you find, but something you live? Now begin to slowly walk down this path step by step, feeling more present with each step, more connected to yourself. And as you walk, you notice something within you, a feeling, a pattern, something that's been showing up in your life. Maybe it's something that feels like a challenge or something that keeps repeating. Instead of pushing it away, gently turn toward it with curiosity. Ask yourself softly, what am I feeling right now? What is this trying to show me? How am I acting when this comes up? Notice where you feel this in your body. Is there tightness, warmth, heaviness? Just observe, no judgment. Now just take a slow, deep breath in. And as you exhale, imagine creating a little more space around that feeling. You don't need to fix it. You're just allowing it to be seen. Because this place, this pattern, is not in your way. It's a part of your path. It's not in your way. It's a part of your path. Take another deep breath. And exhale. Gently ask, what is it underneath this? And take another deep breath. If you can sense something deeper, a quieter feeling, maybe there's been tension, there's also strength. Where there's been fear, there is awareness. Where there's been control, there is a desire for trust. Let that deep feeling begin to grow. Slowly, naturally, like a spring. Now ask yourself, what would it feel like to live this way? If it's trust, feel trust in your body. If it's calm, let the body soften into calm. If it's openness, create space in your chest. Let this be your focus, not what you need to do, but how you choose to be. Nice deep breath in, let it out. How do you choose to be? Now notice how your body responds, your breath, your energy. This is your purpose in motion. Not something outside you, but something you live moment by moment. As you continue walking, notice how everything around you begins to respond. The light feels warmer, the air softer. Everything begins to support the way you're being. Take a moment to pause and feel into this truth. You don't have to chase your purpose, you live it through how you show up in life. You don't have to chase your purpose, you live it through how you show up in life. Let that settle. Nice deep breath in, let it out. Now begin to bring your awareness back to your breath, back into your body, into the space. Take another nice deep breath in. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. And before you open your eyes, ask yourself one last question. How do I want to show up today? How do I want to show up today? Excellent. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Just take a moment to notice how you feel. You can carry this sense of awareness with you into the rest of your day, not as something you need to figure out, but as something you can live moment by moment. If you'd like to explore your unique path more deeply, you can get your free profile at genekeys.com. And if you feel ready for a more personalized guidance, you're welcome to book a session or connect with me at lizznaughton.com. And I'll go ahead and put these in the show notes for you as well. And be sure to subscribe to my channel and become a part of this beautiful healing community. Thank you for being here and for doing this work. Until we meet again, please know that you are loved, and namaste.